Can you really get rich clicking with the tap money earn and very fast earn a lot of money? Or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this app, and therefore I decided to test myself. And in this Tap Money Rain review, I will give you an inside look and show some very important details you definitely need to be aware of before downloading this app. So before I log into the app, let's just clarify a few things, because there are a couple of different apps when you look for Tap Money Rain. You can see this one that is in early access actually does not really work anymore. I tried to download that and it actually just redirects you to another app once you have downloaded it and try to create an account, which is a little bit suspicious, but that's not what this one is about, because that doesn't really exist as this app anymore. But then there's now a new app, or a newer app anyways, called Tap Money Rain that you can download for Android devices, and you can see it says that you can experience the feeling of real rich in these games and like earn real money just by clicking. So it actually claims that you can become rich more or less just by clicking, and it seems like it can go very fast, but there are some very important details you need to be aware of. So let me pull up the app on the screen and then show you how it works and if you can really expect to earn from it. So I have now pulled the app up on the screen, and as you can see, it seems very simple. I just need to click like this, and then you can see I just earn a lot of money. You can see in the top corner there that it just kind of like counts the points there. So then to claim it, I need to watch an ad, and that's how they make money. There's a lot of ads like this, and usually 30 seconds or so I have to watch this. And many of the ads that are here are really annoying, something you have to be a little bit careful about believing some of the claims in some of the ads. That's just one thing to consider. Anyways, I'll just wait for the ad to be over so you do not have to watch it, and then I'll close it down and we continue. So I'm now back, and you can see I earned 180. It was just added there to the screen, and then that was how easy it was. I earned apparently $1.80 in PayPal cash, just like that, like clicking. And then there's different options you can do to boost it. You can see there's some options at the bottom screen there. But the idea is this, I click every time I click. Right now I'm clicking the screen. I'm just clicking in the middle of the screen, and you can see, and then I can just do it like that. And I can also do these auto swipe, so it has a countdown, and then it will just do it for me. Right now, you see I'm sitting with like both hands, and now again I just have to claim, so we'll just see that again. Watch a little bad ad there. I'll just again wait for the ad to be over, and the ad is now over almost. There you can see I can click it to close it there, and then you can see I earned $2.30 worth of an Amazon gift card, as you can see. And now it just keeps auto swiping because that's what it was that I set it to do there. So I'll just get over with this here, and then we can talk about how you can then get these earnings out, and when you can, and can you really get them out. So let's look at that next. I'll just get over this ad here because these spammy ads are really annoying. I won't force you to look at another one. So as you can see, it looks like a fast way to earn. Right now I have $11, you can see PayPal, and $7.30 in Amazon gift cards. So if you then click up there where it says PayPal, then you can see that that's when it becomes starting. Well, already the spammy ads you see is suspicious. I've tested hundreds of ways, and those kind of ads for these often spammy apps and other exaggerated claims is a red flag in itself. But anyways, when you then look here, that's another big red flag. Here I need to earn $1,000 PayPal cash to be able to claim it. I have right now earned 11 out of 1,000, and that's a ridiculously high payout threshold. Any platform that has that higher payout threshold is something to be careful of. Any legit app that I have tested where you can earn money for free usually will have a payout threshold. Sometimes you can get paid immediately. Other times maybe it's $5, $10. Maximum if like between $20 and $25 for the ones that have a high payout threshold. But more than that, then it starts becoming suspicious, and more than $50, very suspicious. $1,000, it's ridiculous, because it will take you a lot of time. Even though you can see it's fast to earn, you have to watch a lot of ads, and every time you watch these ads, Tap Money Rain will make money, and they're just trying to keep you there, selling you the idea that you can earn $1,000 PayPal cash just by doing this, keep doing this, clicking and watching. You can spend like a day doing that or two, and then eventually maybe after many days you will reach the $1,000 and think like, okay, it was still worth it. if you could get paid. But the payout threshold is ridiculously high. They will make a lot of money in the process, but you should not expect to actually get paid. But let me just explain that a little bit more. I'll close down the app and then we will sum it all up and talk more about why you should actually not expect to get paid. So as you can hear, I'm not impressed by Tap Money Rain for several reasons. I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, as I have already explained. And I know when there is some big red flags you need to be aware of and when you should just stay away from certain earning methods. And first of all, the earning method is just ridiculously stupid. Why would they pay you just to sit there and click the screen that much? Yes, they get paid for the ads you watch, but they do not get paid that much, because you can see I, for example, earned like $1.80 for clicking all that and watching an ad. That means that for it to be profitable for them, they would need to get at least $1.80 to be able to cover what I supposedly earn and at the same time make money themselves. Actually, they needed to earn more than $1.80 then for that time ad there. And that's not how it works. They do not get paid that much for ads, spammy ads like this. That's for sure they do not do that. So the earning method itself is unrealistic. And then you combine that with the extremely high payout threshold that is clearly made that high to keep you on the platform and keep using the app, keep typing, because the more ads you will watch, the more they will earn. And it's just like any app that has $1,000 payout threshold, just like stay away from it. It is not a realistic app, especially not when you look at the stupid earning method that you can supposedly easily earn thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars. It's just not how it works to make money online. There are many ways you can earn, for example, by clicking or watching ads or doing other things through your phone or websites for that matter, but it will not give you, for example, $2 per ad you watch. That's not how it works. It will usually be a few cents if you're lucky per ad or per time you click or something like that. And that's, you know, an app that then claims to suddenly offer something that 100 times higher for the same small task, you know something is just wrong and you should not expect to get paid. But I have videos about legit ways that will actually pay you for doing small tasks like that if you just do it with realistic expectations. I will leave links below so you can check that out if you're interested. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.